Hello everyone, welcome to Science Expertise. Today in this video we will discuss how we can find the sum of any natural number. Okay, so firstly I will make a file here, program 16.c, and here I will write my code. Okay, suppose the user will enter the value of n as 10, then what I will do, I will simply print the sum from 1 to 10. Okay, and if the user will enter the value of n as 100, then what I will do, I will simply print the sum from 1 to 100. Okay, so here suppose the user will enter the value of n as 10, then what I will do, I will simply print the sum from 1 to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, and for this we will see the code, and here I will write my code, hashtag include stdio.h. after that I will write void main, and inside this void main I will make a variable n of integer data type, and using this printf function I will display a message, enter one number, and now using this scanf function I will take that number from user as input, and here I will use %d format specifier. Okay, and we'll give here address of a, right? And now I will use here a for loop, and here I starts from 1, and I is also a variable of integer data type, so I will write here I. Okay, and the value of I starts from 1 goes up to n and I plus plus, and here inside this for loop, and here this is n because I have taken n as the variable, right? And what I will do here, I will do the sum here. Sum is equal to, sum is also a variable of integer data type, so I will write here sum, and I will initialize this sum to 0. Okay, and sum is equal to sum plus I, right? And here I will simply print the value of sum, printf the value of required sum is %d, and here %d is for whom, for the sum. Okay, and I will run this file, and this is the simple program to print the sum of n natural number. Okay, so here it is running in this terminal section, you can see here, and this is the code. Okay, now we will run this file. Suppose the user will enter here the value of n as 5, then what will happen, now here the value of I starts from 1, I is equal to 1, 1 less than equal to n, here the value of n is what, 5, so 1 less than equal to 5, right? So here it will come, and it will do what, sum, here the value of sum is what, 0, so 0 plus I, the value of I is what, 1, so 0 plus 1 is what, 1, so now the value of sum is what, 1. Okay, and now it will again go here and do I plus plus, and will do here what, I plus plus, and I plus plus is now what, the value of I is now what, 2, and 2 less than equal to 5, right? So it will come here, and here the value of sum is now what, 1, so 1 plus 2 is what, 3, so now the value of sum become what, 3, and again I plus plus, and the value of I is now what, 3, 3 less than equal to 5, right? And here the value of sum is what, the value of sum here is 3, and 3 plus 3 what, 6, so 6, and again it will similarly the execution of for loop will happen, and I think you all are familiar with this working of for loop, right? So here in this terminal section I will enter here what, 5, and you can see the value of required sum is 15. Okay, and I will again run this, and this time I will enter here what, and this time I will enter here 10, and it is taking some time. 10, and you can see the value of required sum is 15. The value of the sum of 1 to 10 is what? 55, right? So I think this video helped you a lot. Okay, thank you once again.